Hey, good evening, everybody. Derek Sue, your Oakland community advocate. Well, we're out here walking Mama, and I want to let you know this has been a joy moving up to 5G, and it's faster. I mean, it is significantly faster than the Wi-Fi that I'm on indoors, and so I'm enjoying when I come out here. I mean, anything I go to is almost instantaneous. So it's been nice having this for about a week now. So I've been trying it under a lot of different situations, and it's interesting. There's two different 5Gs here. There's the standard 5G that's in the neighborhood, and then there's an ultra wide 5G. And Verizon said that the ultra wide a lot of times is the one that I would be on. It's one of the newer systems, and it's faster, and believe me, it is significantly faster. So I just want to let folks know, if you're still on LTE, the 4G LTE, it is night and day difference. And I'm shooting this with just natural lighting outside on my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is pretty nice. I'm enjoying all the new changes with the new phone. So thanks for joining me this evening. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.